Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove extra blank page in Publisher Windows 10. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document on our Windows 10 computer. Now we want to remove extra blank page in this document. Firstly, go to the another page and check the blank page. Now we can see here a blank page, page 3. Now we want to remove the extra blank page. Go to the blank page, then click right button on our mouse. Then we can see here many options. Find and select the delete option. Then delete the page. Then go to the another page and click right button, then delete. Then click yes. Now we can see we remove the extra blank page in this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.